Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Mistermezss kitchen. Today on the menu we have Italian style pot roast. If it's your first time across this channel, don't hesitate to give me a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe, and most important, don't forget to give your impression in the comments. So if you are ready to learn how I made my Italian style pot roast, put on your seatbelt and let's tap on the gas. For my Italian pot roast, I'm gonna use one big chunk pot roast. Make sure it's nicely pat dry, just like so, on both sides. We're gonna add on some avocado oil, rub it in all the way through, flip, and do the same thing for the other side. We're going to season our pot roast beef with some black pepper, salt, and some dry rosemary. We are going to do the same thing for the other side. Black pepper, salt, and rosemary. Make sure your seasoning is nicely stick to your pot roast beef, to your big chunk pot roast beef. You can let it rest for about 30 minutes. Next step, we are going to get some crust on our steak. So I'm going to turn on the fire, and in my cast iron skillet, I'm going to give a nice sear to my steak. So for our neutral oil, we're going to use avocado oil. And we're gonna make sure our pot is extremely hot before we add our steak to have the best crust possible. Once your pot is very hot, add in your steak. You can cook your steak for about 5 minutes every side to get the perfect crust. Once your steak have a beautiful crust like this, make sure you flip it to allow the other side to cook as well. This looks so amazing so far. Once you have a nice crust on both sides, it's time to add your pot roast to your slow cooker. Right, here we go here, my crock pot. We are going to add in our beef along with the juice, and also we are going to chop some onion and add it inside. So the red onion, we're gonna just cut it in 4, just like so, and we're gonna just remove it just like this and add it to our crock pot. Just like so. Just add it straight to your crock pot. We're also gonna add in 1 pound potatoes. We're also gonna add in 1 can diced tomatoes, 1 pound of chopped green onion, just like so. We're also adding in a lot of garlic. We're also going to add in some olive oil for maximum flavor. Add on more black pepper, some salt, more dry rosemary. Next, we're gonna add on some chopped parsley, two cups beef broth. Don't forget your oregano. And finally, add it to your crock pot and cook it on high for 6 to 8 hours. So see you in 8 hours. All right, 8 hours later, my pot roast is all ready. Once your beef is ready, Take it out of the pot and shred it. Once the meat is nice and soft, shred it and add it back to your crock pot. Look at how fluffy and tender. And finally, add in your shredded beef and you're ready to eat. Alright, now we have reached the moment of truth. Let's go ahead and try it. Wow, this pot roast is buzzingly buzzing. It's so flavorful and so delicious. I feel like I'm in Italy. These potatoes are so soft and also the beef is so tender. I am going to put the recipe in the description box below for you to give it a try. Alright, so we have the end of this video. If you like my video, don't hesitate to give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell, that way you don't miss anything. So if you like it, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and see you on my next video. Peace!